Earlier this week, I was meeting with a fella to come and work, potentially take over our yard work, because we had a guy taking care of it, and I wasn't really happy with the way things were going. You can see there's this huge, we got this big hedge along here, and it goes all the way down to the far side. And so I was meeting with this new garden maintenance guy, and he kept, like, his sales process was horrible. It was absolutely horrible. And of course I instantly thought of accountants, because normally our sales process is horrible, but let me explain a little bit more to you. I was telling him exactly where my pain points were, and you can see it's a fairly big yard. It's about 3/4 of an acre, and most of it is grass, and it's got a few flower beds and that sort of thing. My pain point is, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Kind of like your clients. They don't want to do their taxes. Number two, I want someone else to take complete ownership of this thing. I want them to take ownership of it so I don't have to worry about it. Third thing is that if I need something done, like for example, if all of a sudden I need some of these over here, these beds fixed, if they need to be fixed, or if there's a broken sprinkler, the guy that's my gardener, he should find it, tell me that it needs to be fixed, and he needs to either fix it himself or hire someone to do it. Same thing with an accounting practice. When you think about this, your clients are coming to you because they don't want to do their taxes. They don't want to do their finances. They want you to take control of it and take care of it. And they want you to tell them actively when they need something done. And either you do it or find somebody else to do it. And so many accountants are really bad with this proactive planning. But here's the thing. When he was selling me on his services, he kept telling me, oh, this is, time is money, time is money. He kept saying, time is money, well, we can take care of the flower beds here, and we can do some things here, and that'll save you money, and it'll save you money here, and save you money, and it was like it was like on repeat, auto repeat, over and over and over. Save you money, save you money, save you money. And I was like, dude, you are turning me into a price-sensitive client. And accountants do the same thing. When you're constantly focused on saving your clients money, or especially with some firms, it's all about, come to our firm because we will save you so much money on taxes. Well, that's fine. But if you start training them to constantly look for cost savings all the time, every time you're talking to them, they're going to think about your fees. Think about this. You're creating a price-sensitive client. Just like this guy that's going to come and do the yard, he's turned me into price sensitive because I'm constantly thinking, oh, well, I need to save some money here, I got to save it there, as opposed to him listening. And this is the key point I want you to take away here. Listen to what the client says their pain points are. Listen to what they say they want you to take care away from them. And it's, yeah, I want someone to take care of the yard. I don't want to have to do it. It's a big yard. Just take care of it. Don't tell me how difficult or how complex it is. Just take care of it. And that will give me the relief that I want, so that I can focus on my business. Because that's, for me, I want a yard person to take care of the yard so that I can focus on my business, and in the other free time I can spend with my family. Listen to your clients. When they're telling you what they want and where the pain points are, focus on that. Tell them you will relieve them of that pain, relieve them of that pressure. But don't focus on cost savings. You're creating price-sensitive clients. Just like the guy that came in here to quote the fee on my house did, because now I'm just thinking about price savings as opposed to going, he could have closed me, he could have easily closed me at a much higher price point. But he kept talking billable hours, and I won't get into that. We'll get into that in a later video, because if he had just quoted me a set price right away, I would have gone for it, if he had focused on the right aspects. And that's what you need to be doing in your accounting practice. Again, don't make clients price sensitive by talking about cost savings all the time. You're going to be leaving so much money on the table, it's unbelievable. So anyways, I'm Eric Solbeck, and wherever you're watching this, please scroll down, leave me a comment, and stay tuned for more success tips to come.